Students, today we will do exercise number 14C, question number 4. I'm reading the question for you. A garden is 150 meters long and 80 meters wide, has a road 4 meters wide all around on the outside. You should notice that the road is outside and garden is inside. Find the cost of paving the road at the rate of rupees 120 per square meters. In this question, we have to find the cost of paving the road. You have noticed that they are asking about the cost of paving the road and they are not telling us the area of the road. How can we find the cost of paving the road if we don't know the area of the road? So first we have to calculate the area of the road, then we will find the cost of paving the road. Okay, in this question there are two required things. First thing is obvious, it is given, and the other required is hidden. The given required is they are asking openly that find the cost of paving the road, and the hidden required is the area of the road. We have to calculate the area of the road if we want to find the cost of paving the road. First of all, we will draw a rectangle. This you can see this rectangle. This is small rectangle. The length of small rectangle is 150 meters and the breadth is 80 meters. You can see this shaded portion is the road and it is 4 meters wide all around the outside. This 4 meter wide all around the outside is given in the question. Now length of small rectangle is 150 meters and breadth of small rectangle is 80 meters. Area of small rectangle